Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to delete your Subway account. Open the website subway.com, then click on the profile icon. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see another profile icon at the top right side of the screen. Click on the profile icon. Here, you will see an option that says Customer Profile. Click on Customer Profile. On this page, scroll down a little. On the bottom part, you will see a button that says Delete Account. Click on Delete Account. Then, you will be redirected to this page. On the first section, select Guest/Customer. Since we would be deleting the Subway account, select Delete Compromised Account on the request type. Then, fill in all the required information such as first and last name, email address to delete, contact email address, and country. Also, enter the CAPTCHA on the field provided. After entering all the necessary information, click on Submit. That's how you delete your Subway account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.